Writing YouTube scripts is a lot easier with ChatGPT. This step-by-step guide will show you how to drastically improve your video scripts in a fraction of the amount of time it is currently taking you. Once you have pinpointed the central theme of your video, it's time to outline your thoughts in a succinct bullet point format. Each of these points should be a substantial topic that can be discussed for at least a minute without you relying upon the script. They form the foundational stepping stones of your script. Imagine you're diving into the art of creating the perfect YouTube video. Your key points might include choosing the right equipment, scripting engaging content, and effective editing techniques. These topics serve the backbone of your script and are fluid enough to be rearranged and adjusted as you become clear about what you want. The next step is to determine the most effective script structure for your topic. YouTube scripts often follow established patterns, each offering a unique approach to sharing information. Opt for a chronological structure to unfold your narrative like a compelling journey, highlighting events in sequential order. Alternatively, you could present your key points as a well-organized list, providing a clear and concise overview of the topic. Imagine your video is focused on the art of crafting the perfect YouTube video. To adopt a problem-solution approach, address the common challenges content creators face and present innovative solutions. Embrace the cause and effect structure to showcase how specific techniques lead to impressive video quality. You can also leverage a comparison structure to juxtapose traditional filming practices with modern strategies. With your chosen script structure in place, it's time to breathe life into your video script by adding intricate details. Visualize this scenario. While delving into the segment on scripting engaging content, your script transforms into a captivating experience, rich with informative and engaging elements. To enhance your ability to communicate your ideas, try using my what, why, how, and example framework for each key point. This gives you 4 types of information to include in your script. The what explains your key point. The why elaborates on the reason your key point is important. How explains how something works. And finally, example narrates the journey of a content creator who transformed their videos by implementing compelling scripts. When your scripts need a different approach, use ChatGPT's imaginative capabilities to cultivate novel concepts and amplify established ideas. Consider a scenario where your video delves into the realm of effective editing techniques. Use the range of innovative editing methods that ChatGPT has to offer. For instance, it might propose a unique approach like integrating rhythmic cuts and beat sync transitions to create a harmonious flow that captivates viewers like a mesmerizing dance. This transformation could not only convey the technical aspects, but also evoke emotions, transforming your video into a visual symphony. As a result, your audience would not only learn about editing, but also experience the artistry that lies within. In this case, Emily's quest, the process of choosing the right equipment, transcends mundane advice and becomes a memorable experience, enriching your video and captivating your audience. ChatGPT can also be taken a further level and suggest actual images to use. Let's recall the previous section about Emily. I took that script and asked ChatGPT to break it into 7 to 15 different scenes. For each scene, it suggested an image that would effectively depict it. This is what ChatGPT suggested. I used a different AI software to generate the images. Enhance your script by venturing into various rhetorical styles. Imagine this. While unraveling the complexities of choosing the right equipment, you opt to integrate a narrative thread. Here, ChatGPT can seamlessly craft a compelling story that envelops the equipment selection process, becoming a captivating subplot interwoven into your video's fabric. Consider the journey of a passionate filmmaker named Emily. In pursuit of capturing breathtaking landscapes, Emily embarks on a quest for the ideal camera. ChatGPT assists her in scripting a captivating narrative. As Emily delves into the realm of equipment selection, the story unfolds, mirroring her challenges, triumphs, and eventual enlightenment. Emily's tale navigates a bunch of confusing camera specifications and lens options, mirroring the real-life dilemmas faced by aspiring content creators. The narrative delves into Emily's meticulous research, heartwarming interactions with seasoned photographers, and the moment when she realizes that the perfect gear that aligns with her artistic vision. This narrative subplot not only informs but also engrosses the viewers, immersing them in Emily's journey. As they witness her growth, determination, they too become invested in the art of equipment selection. The once technical topic metamorphoses into a relatable, inspiring storyline, leaving a lasting impact.